If people with basic or no coding skills can develop applications, why do we need developers? These questions have started coming up since the rise of low-code and no-code platforms like Wix and Squarespace. And now, ChatGPT is here too. And guess what? It can write the code. So, will developers really not be needed? See, developers don't just write code, but they solve problems. And there will always be a need for problem solvers in the industry. Problems that AI can't solve. Only those who understand the base layers of programming can step ahead and innovate new solutions. ChatGPT is a tool that can enhance the productivity of a developer. It can help you do the repetitive tasks and save you time, but it can never replace the human intuition and creativity. So, there is no need for doomsday predictions like that. Instead of thinking whether it will or it will not replace developers, you should be taking advantage of it. How? That we'll be telling you in the next videos. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and share your views in the comments below.